At D-DesignHub, we believe every great idea deserves to take shape in the real world. That's why our expert team pours creativity and precision into crafting high-quality 3D CAD designs and ready-to-print models. From the spark of a concept to the final, polished product, we guide you every step of the way with cutting-edge tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Blender, and ZBrush. To ensure your vision comes to life flawlessly, we validate and refine our designs in our own 3D printing facility. This hands-on approach allows us to move swiftly from concept to creation, whether you need a small-scale prototype or a production-ready batch. With every project, our goal is simple: to inspire confidence and excitement as we transform your ideas into tangible realities. At D-DesignHub, we don't just deliver products, we deliver possibilities. Let's collaborate on your next big breakthrough and create something truly extraordinary together. D-DesignHub, your truly design mate.